Secondly, you have the audacity as the president of the Arewa to give the president of the whole Nigerian youth 48 hours. You not fear. Your jurisdiction are just the North and the Arewa. My jurisdiction are the whole Nigeria. You not fear me. I suppose carry on and search chicken eat on car. Wallahi. I suppose put on this side your eye. You are giving me 48 hours.
A kí gbogbo ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ Kúnlé Ìjẹ̀ṣà káàkiri gbogbo àgbálá ayé. Níbikíbi tẹ́ ẹ ti láǹfààní, tẹ́ ẹ ti ń wo fọ́nrán yìí, tẹ́ ẹ ti ń gbọ́ wá. Lágbára Ọlọ́run Elédùmarè, ojú tẹ́ fi ń wò wá, ojú náà ò ní fọ́. Etí tẹ́ fi ń gbọ́ wá, etí náà ò ní di o. Ohun tá a tún mú wá fún yín nípa ọ̀rọ̀ arákùnrin tí ń pè ní Very Darkman àti Arewa. Ọ̀rọ̀ tó ṣẹlẹ̀ láàrin wọn la mọ̀ tó ní ká tó mú wá sí etí ìgbọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀yin ọmọ Nàìjíríà níbi tẹ́ ẹ ti láǹfààní tẹ́ ẹ ti ń gbọ́ wá. Torí wọ́n ní àìsí ń bẹ̀ láìbá ni dá sí o. Àwọn òwe Yorùbá ló ní ọ̀rọ̀ òrùn inú ẹlẹ́dẹ̀ ló ń gbé. Ẹ wo fọ́nrán yìí lágbára ó ju bá a ṣe rò lọ. Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ gan láàrin Very Darkman àti Arewa? Ẹ wá gbọ́ bí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí ṣe lọ ní ẹ̀kúnrẹ́rẹ́. Ẹ wo fún àǹfààní ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ ti subscribe sórí ètò Kúnlé Ìjẹ̀ṣà. Ẹ subscribe sórí ètò wa kẹ́yìn náà lè mọ jàǹfààní bàbá tó ṣe é mú fúnra wá fún gbogbo ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ wa àti fún gbogbo ẹ̀yin ọmọ Nàìjíríà lápapọ̀ níbikíbi tẹ́ ẹ ti láǹfààní tẹ́ ẹ ti ń gbọ́ wa. Ẹ wo ẹ má jẹ́ ń gbà yín lákòókò. Wọ́n ní ẹnu ọlọ́rọ̀ lọ̀rọ̀ ti ń dùn kó má dàbí pé àṣejù wa pọ̀. Ṣùgbọ́n ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ wa ẹ try kẹ́ ẹ share fọ́nrán yìí káàkiri gbogbo àgbálá ayé kó kan gbogbo àwọn tí ò tí mọ̀ kó kàn wọ́n lára káwọn náà lè jàǹfààní ẹ̀. Ẹ wo ẹ má jẹ́ ń gbà yín lákòókò ẹ tún wá lọ gbọ́rọ̀ yìí síwájú sí i.
I'm giving you 48 hours to go and bring those Arewa girls from Ivory Coast that they trafficked. Did you not see them? A lot of things that will happen to your people, you know if you see them talk. You just see video because you are so daft and an illiterate. You don't even understand what's in the video. You open your mouth. You say you won't give me 40. You get lost in my phone today. The way I push you, if you book your flights, may come Abuja, can't tell me down. I go slap you. I go sand you. Now, it cost me Nigeria no go forward. You are the problem of this country. A lot of you illiterate in that north. A lot of you. How many times have you given 48 hours to Boko Haram and all the bandits that have been kidnapping and buying your sisters? How many times? You open your mouth, tell me you are giving me 48 hours. Are you stupid? How many times? You don't open your mouth for all the time where don't they happen for northern states? How many times have you given 48 hours to the bandits to leave your states? How many times? When they carry Chibok girls, where were you? Show me your...
Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa fọ́nrán tá a mú wá sí etí gbọ̀yìn àkójọpọ̀ náà ni o. Ẹ wo tẹ́ ẹ bá gbàgbé lánàá òde yìí Very Darkman ó lọ sí Benue State níbi tí àwọn ọ̀daràn Fulanni tí wọ́n ti lọ wọnú inú abúlé kan tẹ́sí pa gbogbo àwọn tó wà ńbẹ̀ tó jẹ́ pé kódà àtọmọdé àtàgbà ni wọ́n sún mọ́lé. Òun la tó mú wá ní inú fọ́nrán yìí. Ṣé rí i pé ọ̀rọ̀ àwọn Fúlàní dáràndáràn yìí ọ̀rọ̀ wọn pípù yìí mọ̀ ti wá lágbára. Àwọn tó jẹ́ pé nǹkan búburú ni wọ́n ń ṣe. Tẹ́ ẹ bá rí tí wọ́n ṣe sun àwọn èèyàn. Tẹ́ ẹ bá rí tí wọ́n ṣe sun àwọn èèyàn débi pé kódà ẹ lè dá àwọn èèyàn mọ̀mọ́. Wọ́n sun wọ́n jó gúrúgúrú nínú rúùmù míì. Wọ́n so bí èèyàn bíi 6 ibòmíì wọ́n so bíi 8 ibòmíì wọ́n so bíi 10. Ó dẹ̀ ti wà nínú àkọọ́lẹ̀ pé ibi tán Fúlàní burúkú ìbá fẹ́ gbà ní ti máa ń wúrú wà báyìí. Ṣùgbọ́n n tó bani nínú jẹ́ ni pé ìṣọwọ́ tí wọ́n ṣe àwọn èèyàn yìí n tó mọ̀ lágbára ni o. Kódà ẹ wo fọ́nrán yìí màá tún fi hàn yín. Màá tó fi fọ́nrán yìí màá tó fi hàn torí Very Darkman ẹ wo a gbé dáńsákì fún Very Darkman. Very Darkman lọ sílùú tá à ń sọ ìyẹn nílùú Benue State. Ó lọ ṣàbẹ̀wò iṣẹ́ burúkú tí àwọn Fúlàní darandaran burúkú tí wọ́n ṣe sílùú. Ó lọ ṣàbẹ̀wò ẹ̀. Ẹ wo fọ́nrán náà lẹ́ ń wò yìí. Ṣé ti rí fọ́nrán tí mò ń sọ? Very Darkman lẹ́ ń wò. Ẹ rí tí ẹ ń ṣe fídíò ẹ̀. Ẹ ti rí nǹkan. Ẹ ti rí ìlú tí àwọn Fúlàní darandaran burúkú yìí àwọn ọ̀daràn tí wọ́n wọ̀ nìyẹn o. Kódà wọ́n ní bíi ọwọ́ alẹ́ ni wọ́n wọbẹ̀ níbi after 10 wọ́n dẹ̀ bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní wọlé olúkálùkù lẹ́yọ kọ̀ọ̀kan wọ́n sì ń wẹ́ẹ̀tì wọn ní petrol wọ́n dẹ̀ ń jó wọn gúrúgúrúgúrú nílùú tí ẹ má gbàgbé pé a dẹ̀ níjọba lórílẹ̀‐èdè Nàìjíríà irú nǹkan báyìí náà sì ń ṣẹlẹ̀. Ẹ wo ṣe ti rí àwọn èèyàn lẹ́ ń wò wọ́n o àwọn èèyàn ní ẹ jó ní ìjókòjó yẹn àfi kọ́lọ́run Elédùmarè kó mọ̀mọ́ kó wa yọ. Ẹ wo kọ́lọ́run kó gbà wá o ẹ tó máa wo fọ́nrán yìí síwájú sí i. Ẹ wo àkójọpọ̀ ní ìròyìn tá a mú wá sí etí gbọ̀nyín ẹ má gbàgbé orí ètò Kúnlé Ìjẹ̀ṣà náà lẹ́wà kẹ́ ẹ máa bá wa subscribe sórí ètò kẹ́ ẹ máa bá wa like kẹ́ ẹ máa bá wa share rẹ̀ kí àwọn èèyàn kan náà lè mọ láǹfààní láti máa rí gbogbo bó ṣe ń lọ káàkiri orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà. Ẹ wo ibi tó orílẹ̀-èdè yìí dé dúró ó ti kọjá akẹ́kọ̀ọ́ mọ́ ròyìn fún èèyàn gbogbo wa ló yẹ ká mọ̀ bó mọ̀ ṣe ń lọ lórílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà o. Ẹ wo fọ́nrán tó kù síwájú sí o ẹ má gbàgbé pé mo ní àkójọpọ̀ ní fọ́nrán tí mo mú wá sí etí gbọ̀nyín ẹ tó wá lọ wo fọ́nrán míì síwájú sí i.
It's another room again. Another room again. This is another place again. Please come. See their bones. Get it. See bone. This is the bone of a human being. See, this is a child. This is a child. See another one. These are children. These are children that were massacred here, burnt to ashes here. Now, the reason why I came here, I'll go and interview some of the persons that were here, that witnessed everything, that can explain. The reason why I came is, one thing I've noticed is that it seems the government don't know what is happening. Maybe because it is not in their faces yet. I don't know why back in the day, when things like this happen, the news, the media bring it to our faces. But nowadays, it's as if maybe they have paid them not to come and talk about things like this. And it's... Please, bros, let's just go. So, please, who is that man that was here yesterday? Please, can you come? I'll still take you guys around the area so that you can see. Bros, please. Good day. My name is very Darkman. I just came here when I heard what happened. I came here to see the situation of things, and I'm not going to lie to you. What I saw now really broke my heart. Seeing all these people burnt to ashes, it really broke my heart. So I have just one purpose: to put it out there for the government to really see what is going on. You know. So please, can you tell us what happened yesterday? You don't need to use English. Use pidgin, more the flow well.
Okay. Yesterday we were in our farm at around 10:45.
10:45.
Yeah.
In the morning.
In the evening.
In the evening.
That is in the night.
Yes.
Then it started raining, so we were indoor. Then at about the time now, then the husband Fulanni men just came nowhere. They started with hunting us at the police station over there.
Yeah, at the police station. That's
Yes.
where it started.
Yes. No, fully, they knew very well that the police station are there and they are wearing arms, preparing for whatever that way comes. Okay. Then from there...
Did they chase the policemen away?
No, the policemen were there to attack them. They did their job.
They did their best.
Their best. Then from there, knowing that, okay, they have attacked them fully there, then another group was down here without the notice of the policemen. Then they started opening the door from one door to another. They were with many weapons. They break the door. While entering into the door, into the room, they'll pour the fuel, and then
light fire.
And then that is how it started. And we are hopeless. And what you have seen here now, a lot of people that die in our community is unexpected. We did not believe that such will happen in our own area, such will happen in our own town. Because we were thinking that the government is there for us. But around 10:45 p.m., there was no security to come to our aid. It is our community youth that stood up for this. We were hopeless. From 10:45 p.m. it started. Then it was around 2 o'clock. These people did what they want to do.
And they left.
They left.
Did you people manage to even exchange or fight anyone, or even take one as well? As they are buying your people, you fighting them? But did you manage to even take the life of any one of them?
Yeah, the youth tried a lot. What they would have...
No, none of them?
None of them. But what I mean is...
They tried their best to defend the town.
Best. From there, the security came. When they see the policemen, sincerely, we need to appreciate the policemen. Because if not for the policemen, this town would have been down now. What you would have seen here would have been a mess.
Okay, let me go around the place because I saw a lot of places that are burnt.
Yes.
So please, let's go together.
Very dark man.
I saw the amount of people. There that were killed.
Yeah.
Even here too. How many people? How many people do you say was killed there?
40
people. 40. Yeah.
Yes.
40 persons. Yeah. How many?
This is where they were right now. This particular.
This place 35, 35. Yeah.
So we'll move down.
Which place?
Let's go down.
Let's go down. Let's go down.
Okay.
This is where they were like down. The one that were bombed inside the room. You see those things that are being covered here. It was them that they're bombing people.
Hey, bro. How many people died there? Or this is where you store your food?
Yes, here is 15.
15 people?
Yes. And this is the honor of the
Place.
place.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's sad. Sorry, madam.
Yeah.
Sorry for your loss. Sorry for your loss. So what are they doing now? What's this they are doing?
It's rice.
They're separating the ones that
Okay, the one that was burned.
are
Yes.
trying to recover back the remnants. Yes.
So she also lost
Something bags of rice here.
the woman.
The man.
The man.
Oh man,
The whole place was filled with rice. Yes.
almost 200. That should be estimated to like how much? Huh?
Probably around 20-something million. I say.
Jesus Christ.
And this man that you have seen there is the richest man in this town.
He lost his
man in
brother.
town.
He's lost
in the
his
process.
brother.
Two brothers and a
A
wife.
pharmacy.
Yeah, the guy studied pharmacy.
Sorry for your loss, sir. Sorry, sir, for your loss. Sorry, sir.
So we'll move forward.
Let's move forward.
Yes, we have other places.
Four people.
Yes, the mother of a Reverend Father. And
You can see what he said is
The
blood.
mother of a reverend father.
yes,
So all these are blood.
Yeah.
A sibling, one lived together, just graduated from State University. Mother of Reverend Father. Yes. That is where they killed the farmer.
Farmer.
Yeah. We'll go down to there's another place down
There
there.
are other places down there.
Let's go. That side. I think we should go there first. I think we should go here. I think we should go there. Okay. Let's go there.
It's all right. Yes. Here is 5 persons.
5 persons, yeah.
Yes. 5 persons.
Oh shit. Blood.
You can come inside.
Oh God. Come inside.
Just this piece.
See. See. Bros, let's start from there.
Let's just talk from there. Like from this vicinity, the ones that we be able to recover.
How many people died
They
here?
were 10. Yeah, that's it. Within here, from this particular area, we were able to recover 10.
10.
10 persons.
10 persons that we were able to recover. The other ones going to ashes. Yes. Yeah, we had 10 that we were
Then the
able
other
to
one's gone to ashes.
other ones going to ashes.
You like that? Yeah. It looks like you will stubborn. Let's go, bro.
their major target was on the stores because they know this is where they store the food stuff. And if you're burning the food stuff, if you ask it.
We're just burning the food stuff. Look at a large amount of rice. See rice too. Maybe somebody should help me carry the cat. Maybe I can take the cat. You don't mind. So once they don't send boys, there's no problem. Once they see people, they see the fire. Yeah. And they just set the fire. You, are you thief? Don't look like you're a thief. You are thief? You can pass as a Fulanni. I promise you, you can pass as a Fulanni. Wow. That's man.
Yes, it's another store. Look at him. The man I show you over
That's
there.
the man.
Yes.
Okay, see, I don't get anything to give you, but to just relieve your stress. I don't have much to give you, man. Nothing I won't give you now where I go take anything. You understand? There's nothing I want to give you that will take nothing. There's nothing I want to give you that will take nothing.
God bless you.
Thank you, sir.
There's nothing I can replace what
You're too
bro.
kind.
Too kind.
Nothing, Send that man and give him one. We just start again. That's one of the parts of the I ain't stay all. This same place is for him. Yeah.
Yes. The man I'm talking about.
This is the man's store again.
Hello?
That man has lost a lot. Including your only brother. And the other- and the two wives.
Let's proceed.
A wife, your own blood, only blood brother they have.
Brother, one sister.
And two
children.
We still have a long way to go.
Sure say I go fit follow now because it's on the
Okay. If it is,
don't they get me.
yeah, it is okay for you, then we will leave it.
Don't they get me, I don't like to go.
But we're almost. Yeah, we'll move like that, then it will be a man.
This is my first time in Benue. We don't have bowl yet.
No, we don't have.
There's no bowl yet. Oh boy, this one is deep. What? I'll put the name of this place. This is still the man's store.
No,
It's your store.
We lost almost 12 people there yesterday. Gone to ashes. But we are able to recover 9 that were buried. There is one there, hidden there, that we don't know the person yet.
Inside this
Inside
rice.
this rice, yeah.
So if you open it now, they'll see somebody.
Yes,
Yes,
there's
there's
someone
somebody.
here, because yesterday as I was trying to recover the remains, I discovered someone here, and there was nothing I could do. Because
Please don't open it. Don't open it. Don't open it.
I just cover in case of any.
Please, but people take the remaining one. May not be as if. That's the all I have, eh? This thing they put me in, the more just go, I think I just go, man. It's okay.
He's tired. Yeah, it was up to 14 people here.
This place?
Yes, you can go close.
14 people?
Yes, we found 6 people here.
See blood?
Yes, 6 people here around this spot. Then we are outside here. 14 we are inside. Those ones will recover. A lot went to ashes. We can't even recover. Except as the time goes on, the people that are missing, they will know that this one is no longer there. If they give you a marginal number now, it's just an assumption. Because we don't know actually. Yes. If we should tell you we lost 200 people, it's an assumption. Because for sure, it's more. The one we recovered yesterday, we were able to bury was 176.
Look at the work inside.
The
I
ones
see the
inside,
ones, that have been burned.
gone. And till date, I'm just asking, did you see this guy? They said no, they haven't seen me. I think that one too has been taken. A lot of people, like almost 7 people that can still remember that we haven't seen them till now.
I don't have anything to do. All I can do is to just say people should see what's going on.
This is genocide.
So this is it.
It is genocide. See, your federal government need to help us. Nigeria need to help us. The whole world.
I think this is my first time in this state. Wow. This is the first thing I'm eating.
Are you very dark man or you don't look like this?
You're very dark man.
Oh, I saw you. I said very dark, but I feel like.
Anyways, my brother.
It's your brother.
No,
Okay.
no, I'm talking to you.
Okay.
ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ wa káàkiri gbogbo àgbáláyé fọ́nrán tá a mú wá òun náà lẹ ti rí òun ṣé ẹ ti rí i pé àfikọ́ lọ́rùn Elédùmarè kó ṣaláàbò wa lórílẹ̀‐èdè Nàìjíríà torí kò sí ààbò tó dájú o àwọn èèyàn náà jó gúrúgúrúgúrú ẹ ti rí adúrú èèyàn tí wọ́n pa nílùú ẹ ti rí ìtẹ́sẹ̀ fi ẹ̀mí àwọn èèyàn ṣòfò ìyẹn àwọn Fúlàní darandaran burúkú yìí náà ni o ṣé ẹ ti wá rí i pé àfikọ́ lọ́rùn Elédùà kó gbà wá lórílẹ̀‐èdè Nàìjíríà ibi tọ́rọ̀ orílẹ̀‐èdè ń lọ a sì láà níjọba lórílẹ̀‐èdè yìí o kí wá ní ìtumọ̀ ìbò tá a dì kí wá ní ìtumọ̀ sọ́pọ́tì tá a fáwọn ìjọba kí wá ní ìtumọ̀ pé wọ́n ń ṣe olórí lórí wa lórílẹ̀‐èdè Nàìjíríà yìí ṣe rí i pé àfikọ́ lọ́rùn Elédùmarè kó gbà wá kókó wa yọ ṣe ti rí iṣẹ́ takuntakun tí Darkman ń ṣe àfikọ́ lọ́rùn Elédùmarè kó ràn wá lọ́wọ́ o àdúrà mi sí gbogbo ẹ̀yin ọmọ Nàìjíríà pátá ni pé a ní bọ́ sọ́wọ́ agbénipa o a ní bọ́ sọ́wọ́ ìka ènìyàn kódà a ní bọ́ sí ọwọ́ àwọn Fúlàní búburú yìí ẹ jẹ́ ká tún máa wo ìgbésẹ̀ tí ìjọba ó gbé lórí ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ ìjàmbá kàyéfì tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ní ìlú Benue State torí lèyí lágbára o kódà ọ̀rọ̀ yìí ó gbòmìjé lójú ẹni kọ́lọ́run Elédùmarè kó gbà wá ẹ wò ẹ má bínú sí mi gbogbo ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ Kúnlé Ìjẹ̀ṣà bí mo ṣe wọlé ló yẹ kí n kí yín mo kí gbogbo ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ Kúnlé Ìjẹ̀ṣà káàkiri gbogbo àgbáláyé níbikíbi tẹ́ ẹ ti láǹfààní tẹ́ ẹ ti ń gbọ́ mi tẹ́ ẹ ti ń wò mí ojú tẹ́ ẹ fi ń wò mí ojú náà ò ní fọ́ o etí tẹ́ ẹ fi ń gbọ́ mi tí náà ò ní di ohun rere létí yín ó máa gbọ́ o fáǹfààní ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ ti subscribe sórí ètò yìí ẹ share fọ́nrán yìí ẹ jẹ́ kí gbogbo àwọn ènìyàn kó kan gbogbo àwọn èèyàn lára ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ Kúnlé Ìjẹ̀ṣà káàkiri gbogbo àgbáláyé níbi tá a fi àdàgbà ètò yìí sọlẹ̀ sí lónìí nì bó bá tó ṣe ń lọ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Ayẹ̀wá àti Fariga pọ̀n àtúnjẹ̀kẹ́ mọ́ gbọ́ àti lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Benue State tí àwọn Fúlàní darandaran burúkú yìí tí wọ́n wọ̀ àti gbogbo ìgbésẹ̀ tí ìjọba náà bá gbé gbogbo rẹ̀ náà lẹ́mọ̀ gbọ́ ní orí ètò Kúnlé Ìjẹ̀ṣà. Ẹ má gbàgbé fáǹfààní ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ̀ tí subscribe ẹ subscribe sórí ètò Kúnlé Ìjẹ̀ṣà kẹ́yìn náà lè mọ láǹfààní bàbá tó ṣe é mú fọ́nrán wá fún gbogbo ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ wa àti fún gbogbo ẹ̀yin ọmọ Nàìjíríà pátápátá. Àdúrà mi sí gbogbo ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ wa ni pé a ní bọ́ sọ́wọ́ àgbénipa o lágbára Ọlọ́run Elédùà. Ire lójú òwò rí, ire lójú ọ̀la rí, ire lójú gbogbo wa ọmọ rí o. Ire o, ó dìgbà. Orí ètò Kúnlé Ìjẹ̀ṣà náà lẹ́wà, ẹ má gbé kúrò ńbẹ̀.